Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher. I am Shagufta Makbul. Please open this book of Cambridge Inspiring Science for Grade 1. Open page number 26 of this book. Today we will complete question and answers that are given here. Question number 1 to 3 has already been done. Today we will start from question number 4. Before starting these question and answers, I am going to take a short review of this lesson. Animals have different shapes, sizes and body parts. Some animals are big and some are small. Elephant is a big animal. Worms are small animals. Most land animals have hair on their body. The body of bird is covered with feathers. A butterfly has wings to fly. A snake has scales on its body. Fish lives in water. Some animals live on land. Some animals live in water, and some animals live near the water. The animal that lives in water, you can see this picture. I am showing you these animals that live in water and that live near the water. Names of these animals are here. These animals live in water. This is turtle. You are saying fish. This is frog, and this is crocodile. This animal spends time. This animal live in water and near the water. You are seeing crocodile. Picture of crocodile is here. At this time you are seeing picture of bird. This is bird. You know, all birds, most of the birds live on trees, but they spend most of their time flying in the air, like this bird. This bird is flying in the air. They have to make their nest when birds want to lay eggs. You are seeing some animals are here. These animals that you are seeing live in water or near the water. Some are birds like ducks. You are seeing ducks and swan can also live in water and near water. Some animals give birth, like this one. This is dog, the baby of dog. This is cat. The baby of dog is called puppy, and this is cat. The baby of cat is called kitten. You are seeing here, this is hen. Some animals lay egg. You are seeing this animal lay egg, and some animals give birth to young babies like this. You are seeing this is bird. Birds lay egg in their nest. Today we will start question number 4. What helps a bird to fly? Which thing helps a bird to fly? Definitely the answer of this question is wings help a bird to fly. Wings help a bird to fly. Question number 5 is name 2 birds that can swim in water. I told you many times. You can write the names of these 2 animals. Ducks and swans can live in water, also live in water. You will have to write the names of 2 birds that can swim in water. You will have to write here ducks. You will have to write here ducks, D-U-C-K-S, ducks, and A-N-D and S-W-A-N-S, swans. Question number 6 is name 3 animals that live on land. You will have to write the name of 3 animals that live on land. I told you many times, and I already have shown you the picture of these animals that live on land. You will have to write the name. You can write elephant, you can write bear, you can write tiger, and you can write lion. So you will have to write the names of 3 animals that live on land. You can write lion, tiger, elephant and deer. You will have to write any 3 animals. Name 3 animals that are kept on farm. Look at here this question. You will have to select the names of animals that are here, and you will have to select any that live on farm. These are called farm animals. I told you many times, we can get eggs, we can get meat and we can get milk from these animals. Some animals that are used to ride, and some animals that are you carry things one place to another place. Okay students, you can write name of any, you can write here cow, you can write here goat, and you can write here sheep. Farm animals, you can write the names of any 3 animals that are kept on farm. You can write here goat, cow and sheep. Goat, cow and sheep. You can write here goat, cow and sheep. Goat, cow and sheep. Question number 7 is name 3 animals that are kept on farms. Is done. You will have to write name 3 animals that live on land. This is written. I told you name 3 animals that are kept on farms. I told you farm, goat, cow and sheep. Where do, next question is, this is question number 8. So you will have to, this is question number 8. Where do squirrels live? You will have to write here squirrel. Where do squirrels live? You will have to write here squirrels live in gardens. You will have to write here gardens. L-I-V-E, live in gardens. G-A-R-D-E-N-S, gardens. Okay students, today you will have to complete question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 in notebook of science. You will have to write question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 in notebook of science. You will have to write topic. First of all, topic is kinds of animal. Exercise number 1 is answer these questions. After preparing page, you will have to write these question answers that are here. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.